You have probably realized that your adolescent is not very good at scheduling. They have trouble just thinking things through and getting them in a logical order. But if they're 15, 16 years old, it's time for them to start thinking about their future. I would suggest that you sit down with them and organize a to-do list of what needs to be accomplished over the next few years, or at the big picture, and then breaking it down to how can you accomplish that each year to be where you want to be at the end of high school. I have 3 items for you to consider as you're formulating your to-do list. The first one, which I think is so important, is make a list of the things they think they might want to be able to do as work when they're on their own, and then try to find ways for them to shadow people who are doing that work. So whatever it happens to be, whether it's in the business field, technical field, medical field, whatever, see if you can't locate some people or some videos or whatever you can do so that they can see what the daily life is like in that profession. Okay, then the second thing I think you need to consider is a plan for where they will get the training that they need to accomplish that work goal. So there's a lot of options out there. They can do technical training, they could do college, junior college, university, there's lots of options. Go online, lots of materials available for you, and get your adolescent to start thinking about where they want to be. Maybe they don't want to be very far away from home. Maybe they want to be far away from home. Let them begin to explore some of those options. And then thirdly, very important, what is all this going to cost? So they will be surprised when they see these figures come up of the cost for training, tuition, whatever, and the expense of living at that location. So that will begin a very important discussion about how much you can contribute, how much they need to be prepared to contribute, and how you're going to make this all work. I wouldn't overwhelm them all at once. I would suggest you break this into pieces, but get started on it, because there's a lot to think about in the next couple of years, and you want to make sure that all of you have planned for this big transition in your adolescent's life. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.